2015 Kia Sorento high beam light bulb replacement. So the first thing we're going to do is pop the hood on the 2015 Kia Sorento. And if you look inside here, I took this cap off, and this is where you're going to be changing that high beam light bulb. So it just twists on here. It's not the big side here, it's the little one that's out further. So you're just going to twist it, rotate it counterclockwise, take that cap off. It's just like taking the lid off a jar. And right here is your light bulb. So what you're going to do is reach in there. It's got two handles. I know you can't see because my hand's in the way. And you're going to turn it counterclockwise, and you're just going to pull the light out. Just like this. You're going to grab it right here, around this part here, around the diameter here. And you're going to unplug it. Just like that. Plugs in there. See these two prongs? Just unplugs. Now you're going to take your replacement light. Don't touch the bulb here. I'm pretty sure we're not supposed to touch these. So just grab right here, like on the rim, like this. And just plug it back in. There we go. And then just push it down inside like so. Now we're going to turn this around. Put it back in through the socket where it goes. You're going to see this part here. See how it's all perfectly round here, and this part's cut out with a tab here that sticks out a bit. You want to make sure that it goes right there in the bottom. Hopefully you can see that right there. Now we're going to place our bulb in there. And make sure that tab is right in that spot where you want it. There we go. Now we're going to turn to the right. It kind of, you'll feel like it locks in place. And now it's in place. Now we'll replace our cap. Same thing. Put it there, hang right. Turn right, I should say. And it's right in place perfectly. So I'll put better light. So there's your cap. You can see that better now. And hopefully that made sense. Now we'll test our lights. So remember, it was this high beam light on the left side, inside light here, that was out.